Worthy one, you have a goal or a dream you want to accomplish, but for whatever reason, you can't stop being lazy. Listen, I feel you on that because that's something I've struggled with for years. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to overcome your feeling to stop being lazy. What's up, it's Gene, this word to be great. Now, what I'm going to introduce you to in this video that's going to help you to overcome your feelings so you can stop being lazy is the TFAR Model. You probably never heard of this before, or you may heard of it being called the cognitive behavior cycle. So what is the TFAR model? The TFAR model, T-F-A-R model, stands for thoughts, feeling, action, and results. This is the TFAR model, and the best way I can illustrate how this works and how you can use it to your advantage instead of your disadvantage is by talking about how I feel in my early morning workouts. Now, a lot of you guys know I like to go to the gym early in the morning. Most of the time it's at 3:30 a.m. It's very early. The sun not even out. Now, I've been doing this for years. It's something that I love to do, but it's very challenging. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thought that I have is, it's early. It doesn't matter how long I've been doing it. I always say, man, it's early. And then the feeling that's associated with that is, I really want to stay in this warm bed. You know what I'm saying? I want to just be lazy right now. I don't want to go to the gym. And the action that can follow is I can either stay in the bed or go to the gym. Now, that right there is where most of us mess up. We get to the thought and the feelings, and then we allow the feelings to dictate the action that we take instead of knowing those feelings are there and acting on the thing we say we're going to do anyway. So when I get up in the morning and I think to myself, wow, man, it's early, and I start having that feeling of standing in the bed, right there is what I call a golden moment, because it allows me to be disciplined. Now, I could stay in the bed, but instead what I do is I say, Gene, you say you're going to the gym, so therefore I ignore my feeling. I jump out the bed, I take action, I take my shower, I do everything I need to do, and I head out to the gym. See, most of us, what we do in this situation is then we have that thought, we have that feeling, we let the feeling dictate our action, and what happens in that situation is we have inaction. Now, inaction is an action of itself. If you choose not to act, you're pretty much taking the action to not do the thing you say you're going to do, so therefore you don't get the result you desire. But if you want to overcome your feeling so you can stop being lazy, when you have that thought and that feeling creep in that tells you not to engage in the thing you say you're going to do, to live your dream, to realize your goal, you have to be disciplined in that moment. That is your golden opportunity. You have to take action immediately forward so you can start doing the thing you want to do and have the outcome that you desire. This is how you can use the TFAR model. Now, if you choose not to overcome your feelings, you're going to keep being lazy. And you're going to say year after year, I want to realize this dream. I want to realize this goal. Nothing is happening for me. I'm frustrating. Well, the reason that's happening to you is because you're allowing your feelings to get the best of you. You have to put your discipline over your feeling. You have to tell yourself, right after you have that thought and that feeling kick in, you're going to ignore that feeling and you're going to take action so you get the outcome you desire. Or you can choose to allow that feeling to cause you to engage in inaction that is doing nothing, and therefore you keep on not getting the result. So use the TFAR model to your advantage, but only you can overcome your feeling. And the moment you decide that it's time to overcome your feeling and take action on the thing that you desire, then you will start to have the result in your life. So start taking action on your dreams because you are worthy to be great. Worthy one, are you tired of feeling stuck, lost, and unfulfilled? and you're ready to start taking responsibility for achieving your greatness so you can take control of your life. Click the link below and get my premium ebook, Worthy to Be Great, that is filled with the practical principles that allow me to transform from a 9-to-5 cubicle slave to a disciplined man, consistently building my dream, and I promise you, they can help you do the same. With the premium ebook, you will get 2 bonus programs. My 22 video program, How to Build Self-Discipline to Achieve Your Greatness, as well as my 30 Days of Self-Discipline program. Both are filled with self-assessment worksheets and activities that will help you hold yourself accountable as you build the life you want. If you're serious about taking control of your life, get the Word to Be Great premium ebook. If you act today, I'm also going to throw in the audio book, and you will get all this value for the limited low price of $47.